Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download AFLAC Claims app for medical reimbursement. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your device's App Store. For Android devices, tap on the Google Play Store icon. For iOS devices, locate and open the App Store. Use the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in AFLAC Claims and press Enter. Look for the official AFLAC Claims app in the search results. Check that the app is developed by AFLAC Incorporated. Tap on the app icon to open the apps page. Review the app details and ratings to ensure it's the correct app. For Android, tap on the Install button. For iOS, tap on the Get button and then confirm your download. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once installed, locate the app on your home screen. Tap the AFLAC Claims app icon to open it. If prompted, log in with your account details or create a new account. Follow the on-screen instructions to navigate the app. Explore the features to familiarize yourself with submitting claims. Now you're ready to use the AFLAC Claims app for medical reimbursements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.